If you have a boat like this that's difficult, it has an uneven floor that contours forward with no drain ports. You're wondering, can I convert this boat? Is there anything I can do for it? Yes, there is. Our Gen X subfloor kits are made specifically to take those problems away. Our kits are designed to empower the average do-it-yourselfer with basic tools in their garage to be able to do something like this. It's all 1/16 inch thick aluminum tubing, or 0.063 for people who need those measurements, an effort to be lightweight but still strong enough to do what it needs to do. The kits are able to be cut and drilled through and fastened easily just like wood. All you need is a rivet gun, a saw of your choice, a drill, and then other tools as needed like clamps, levels, markers, stuff you're going to have laying around your garage anyways. The subfloor is the most important part of the boat aside from the transom. It's one of the things that needs to be done correctly, needs to be done right, and able to channel and flow out water all the way back to your bilge pump while still allowing areas that you can possibly add reserve buoyancy like foam in later. The way you fasten all of it together is you overlay it. It sits there and folds in, so even if your cuts aren't exactly perfect, it doesn't matter. It'll all fold in and be symmetrically sound as long as you level it out and you take your time and keep your pace. These kits hold enough aluminum to frame the subfloor of up to a 16-foot boat. These kits also complement our Gen X framing and lib building kits rather well. For more in-depth tutorials and videos and masterclasses, please check us out on YouTube, TinyBoatNation or TBNation Outdoors. Good luck out there.